Wholesale inflation prices in India have risen to an all-time high, a 16-year record of 14.23%. I know there are those who will say, let's look at consumer price index, but this is also worrying. Price rise is becoming slowly a burning issue. Tonight's Get Real India report comes from Tamil Nadu.
Wholesale inflation hits 14.23%, the highest in 16 years. Retail inflation hits 4.91%, mainly due to a higher vegetable prices. Rising prices are taking a toll on the Aam Aadmi. Venkatesh BK, a Chennai resident, is a government-recognized tourist guide. The 33-year-old has been without a stable source of income since the first lockdown in 2020 March. Even as tourism picks up slowly, the skyrocketing prices have only added to his woes.
I started teaching German language and simultaneously I started selling dry fruits. Both when I started 7-8 months before, petrol was 80 rupees per litre, but now it has gone to 104 rupees, 103 rupees. Because of this, I am not able to do my business. So I was doing home delivery, dry fruits, and I was also going to teach people at home, but both I stopped because of petrol price.
Earlier this year, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had announced loans for tourist guides, but that too has not materialized yet.
Promised 1 lakh loan for 11,000 tourist guides, but still when we went to banks today, now is December, till we have not received any positive response from banks regarding this loan.
42-year-old Lakshmi Tukaram quit her job at a private hospital during the spread of COVID-19 to ensure safety for her family. But with a shrinking income, Lakshmi now finds it hard to run the house as prices keep rising.
Due to increase of vegetable prices, first and all we get between 150 and 200 we will purchase for a week. Now at present the vegetable prices are too high. Even 500 is not enough for 3-4 days.
A family of 4 is now dependent on the income of Lakshmi's husband. They have had to make many sacrifices.
Because of this COVID impact, even the schools have not responded in fees consideration. So we have changed my daughter to the state board. So it is little relief for us because of the school fees. Because for the school fees itself, we will get around 50,000 to pay for one term.
While the economy looks poised for a recovery, but the price rise has dampened the spirit. The common citizen left with a hole in the pocket. Bureau Report, India Today.
Think about it. Get real India when it comes to prices.